Good morning, students. This is Mr. Teague. I am not in today. Today is Tuesday, August the 18th, 2020. Making this video for you to go over our procedures and our workflow for the day with the substitute teacher. First things first, please make sure you sanitize, wipe down your desks with a paper towel, so on and so forth. Your workflow, these papers are located on the large table at the front of the room. In case the sub doesn't know where they're at, I'm letting you know where they're at as well. The first assignment you need to complete, and this needs to be finished by the end of class, is this Epic of Gilgamesh primary source DBQ. I'm going to go ahead and go to it in the Google Classroom, and so the Epic of Gilgamesh, there it is. There's the poem excerpt. Based on the content from the poem excerpt, please answer these questions. Boom. Got it. Going back to the title slide for today. The next assignment you need to complete in your workflow, not necessarily complete, but should get started, is Chapter 2, Lesson 1, The Rise of Egypt. And so this is a Teague modified guided reading. So I'm going to go back. Here's the guided reading. And the format is a little wonky right now. Because it's in the preview view of a Word document in Google. And so these should all match up on your paper and should match up if you were to open it up on your iPad. So go through the questions. I've modified this assignment from your textbook Connect Ed. Go through Chapter 2, Lesson 1 in order to answer the questions. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.